Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today is Free Watch Face Tuesday, and free is always good. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And today, yes, we got a couple of watch faces for you all to check out. Free Watch Face Tuesday is today. Now, although you see Monday, it is Tuesday. All right, you all, check this out, right? It's a simple watch face. It's called TB Simple Watch Face. Very nice, very simple, very plain. This is an everyday watch face you wear every single day of the week. And always on mode, you're pretty much gonna almost get the same look. When the watch face is on, this is what you're greeted with. You're going to get your battery meter that's going around the bezel of the watch. You're also going to be able to get your date. You get the day. You also get a digital time. You also get some shortcuts down at the bottom, which isn't bad. You can make a phone call, get your text messages, and you can play your music. And yes, this simple free watch face is interactive. So if I tap here, I can get my calendar. I can go into phone calls as well. And if I tap there, I can go ahead and set an alarm if I like. So I'm thinking, to be free, this is not a bad everyday watch face. I say check it out. Watch face number 2. This one is called Radar 2018. And as you can see, it's a Radar watch face. Very simple, very nice. And in the always on mode, it has a nice look. I like it. You can see your time at a glance. It's an analog watch face. Doesn't look bad. But this Radar look when the watch face is on is very different, very unique. I don't see this burning too much battery life at all. I say give it a try. It is free, right? You get your battery percentage down at the bottom. You do get a second hand. And again, the Radar is nice. Would be nicer if we could have customized the color. But again, it is free. All right, you all. I hope you enjoyed Free Watch Face Tuesday. If you did, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.